Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the 123 pattern indicator for MT4. Alright, so the 123 pattern indicator is an indicator that identifies the classic 123 reversal setups to help traders spot early trend changes and strong entry points. Okay, so you can see that the indicator functions like the Fibonacci retracement, right? Like a combination of the Fibonacci retracement and a bit of extension, right? So you can see right here, the indicator plotted these Fibonacci levels. Okay, it's going to help you identify possible reversal points. Currently, we can see that the price got to this zero level, it's dropped below it, and then the indicator showed important key levels to watch out for. All right, having rejected the zero level, of course, which was the lowest level from the last swing. Right, it was the lowest level from the last swing, so the indicator identified that level as a possible reversal point, but price dropped below it and then started coming back up. And then the indicator also showed possible targets based on the Fibonacci extension calculations, right? So the 100 target, 161.8 target, and the 261.8 target are possible take profit targets if you are going to enter a buy trade. Note that this indicator does not give you precise buy or sell signals. What it does is to plot the levels for you, all right, according to the 1, 2, 3 formation and the Fibonacci levels. So you can see that using the zigzag pattern, the indicator also shows you swing highs and lows, right? Here, 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 and then, targeting the next possible level. Okay, so we're going to go straight to the indicator settings, where you can set the period that you want the indicator to function with, the line width, high-low mode, Fibo mode, enable target, Fibo target, the pattern high, the color for the pattern high, the color for the trade line high, pattern low, trade line low, and the Fibo. Okay, so you can modify the settings according to your taste. All right. So basically, this indicator can be used by day traders and swing traders. Okay, a scalper can also use the indicator, but I think I'm going to recommend this indicator for day traders and swing traders, basically for the higher time frames. All right, now if you want to download this indicator, the indicator's link is going to be in the description. All right, just check the description down there and you're going to find the link to download the indicator. All right, for more information about other indicators, just hit the subscribe button and click on the notification so that you're going to get updated when we post new videos. Cheers and see you in the next video.